In every child, there is a promise. This is the story of a promise getting blossomed. Geeta belongs to a traditional and conservative society which does not provide education for their women. Like any young girl, Geeta had a lot of dreams and wanted to study further. And then came the opportunity in the form of Explore at myworld.com being implemented by Learning Links Foundation with support from Dell Youth Connect program. During the course of learning, she researched the causes of epidemics in her village and came up with solutions and innovative ideas to tackle the issue.
लर्निंग लिंक फाउंडेशन और डेल कंपनी की तरफ से जो ये प्रोग्राम हमारे ग्राम के बच्चों के लिए चलाया जा रहा है संजीव भारती स्कूल में, ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है.
Her transformation from a shy introvert child to a confident, empowered girl is a remarkable story and is testimony to the fact that no dream is too big. Something that Durga Prasad is proving right with his courage and passion. A 13-year-old boy from a very humble background, he always dreamt of working on computers, but instead had to take up odd jobs to financially assist his poor family. Durga Prasad kept his hopes alive, and when an opportunity knocked at his door, he grabbed it with both hands.
डेल कंपनी वाले फ्री सिखा रहे बोले तो गया था. उधर पेंट सीखा, वर्ड, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट सीखा, आइडियल नेबर रूल का प्रोजेक्ट बनाया और मलेरिया डेंगू का प्रोजेक्ट बनाया. मैं प्रोजेक्ट के वास्ते इंफॉर्मेशन टीचर के पास से, डॉक्टर के पास से, इंटरनेट से लाके सारा इंफॉर्मेशन लाके कंप्यूटर में प्रोजेक्ट करा. मैं गवर्नमेंट स्कूल का भी होके प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चों से कंपटीशन कर सकता हूँ.
साहब ये दुर्गा प्रसाद कंप्यूटर जो सीख रहा है ना अभी, मेरे को अच्छा लगा साहब ये.
Today, Durga Prasad and Geeta are an inspiration to other village kids.
Learning Links Foundation aims to bridge the digital divide by working with community children who would have limited or no access to technology. Explore at My World was designed with this objective in mind.
Learning Links Foundation believes that innovative education solutions fueled by technology can unleash the individual potential. For this, technology needs to be humanized to trigger change and inspire the future. With this objective in mind, the Explore at myworld.com program was initiated with support from Dell Youth Connect program. It is an innovative, technology-driven education program to help differentially privileged children from the community to gain key 21st century skills. This innovative program started with setting up ICT resource centers equipped with the latest hardware and software resources and internet connectivity in 5 nodal schools across the country. From the 5 nodal schools, the project reaches out to nearby community schools and also school dropouts from the surrounding areas. For maximum reach and larger impact, awareness was created among community schools, neighboring villages and government offices. Select students between 8 to 17 years are trained on Explore at myworld.com curriculum. It is a unique set of exploratory curriculum series based on problem-based learning methodology using specific themes like neighborhood, finance, health, etc. The training program focuses not only in developing digital literacy, community consciousness, collaboration and leadership qualities, but most importantly, develops a sense of responsibility for the world they live in. The Rainbow activity on day 1 of the training allows the students to share, innovate, collaborate, voice their aspirations, which sets the stage for a fun-filled learning environment. One of the major challenges was to help the children to use technology in their daily life, because that's the real test of the effectiveness of the program. In order to meet this challenge, the children were encouraged to identify a problem in the community, critically analyze, collaboratively find solutions, and share with their peers, parents, community school, or sometimes the local leaders. To make the program more inclusive and effective, at the end of the 12 days training program, students are encouraged to showcase their work to peers and parents.
The community program has truly been an effective outreach program, which has given access and equal opportunity to many children who would otherwise have never experienced the joys of learning through technology.
In a short span of time, Explore at myworld.com has touched and inspired thousands of children, teachers and community people and improved the quality of their life. And the story of courageous girls from Jamia Riyaz is no different.
जब से हमारी बच्चियां कंप्यूटर क्लास में जा रही हैं, माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा कंप्यूटर हैंडल करना सीख गई हैं। कैसे कंप्यूटर चलाया जाता है, उसमें कौन कौन से प्रोग्राम्स आते हैं, बिल्स वगैरह कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, ये सारी मालूमात उन्होंने हासिल कर ली हैं।
The program not only empowers the young students with 21st century learning, but also helps in improving their confidence and self-esteem.
मैं लर्निंग लिंक फाउंडेशन और डेल यूथ कनेक्ट प्रोग्राम के बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। तो आप लोगों ने हमको कंप्यूटर सीखने का सुनहरा मौका इनायत फरमाया, जिसकी वजह से हमारी ज़िंदगी बदल गई और हमने कंप्यूटर से बहुत कुछ हासिल किया है।
मेरी ट्रेनिंग मुकम्मल होने के बाद मैं हमारे मदरसे की लड़कियों को कंप्यूटर सिखाना चाहती हूँ।
The story of Tarannum and Asma strengthens our belief that innovative education backed by technology has the power to change and bring joy to our lives.
This program has shown tremendous impact wherever it is being implemented. It also fulfills Learning Links Foundation's commitment to do projects that empower lives.
These are just a few steps towards the long journey to empowering lives, but the smiles on these children's faces and glitter in their eyes makes it even more resolute to walk to the next milestone and create a small difference.